I've already put my touch on. And yeah, so I've had a pretty tough week, but let's be real, I'm resilient as hell. No, the week's been fine. The amount of people that I ran into this week that I did not want to see, you know how that happens to you? You run into people and you're like, yeah. Anyway, so I'm going to my girl's birthday tonight and my mood is moody as per usual because I have about 1,000 personalities. So I'm going to start with the P. Louise. I always start with this. Now, from my last video, I feel stuffed up so badly. I kept looking down too much. So I'm going to try and not look down, but I keep moving my head like I have no like concept of space. So I just put it on with a brush. Yeah, on with a brush. One of my all-time favorites is the Kylie palette. The one thing I don't like about this palette is that it doesn't have a mirror on. I'm just gonna put that all over my lid. Cute. I don't even know what I'm wearing tonight actually. Blend that all over the lid as well. Now I'm just putting this on the corner because I don't want it to be super dark. Let's use that top color. It's very bright, all this color. Quick flick! It doesn't, oh right. Which one's, I had to think about that. This is the right, guys. Right. Basically now I'm in the biggest rush of my life because I'm always in a rush. Oh my God, I literally have no time now. I love this. This is how my life is. I operate on like minimal sleep, minimal time to get ready. Basically my life's a movie and I have 2 seconds every day to get ready and I really hope this camera is filming right now. This is called My Life 101. Get ready in 10 seconds, get to your friend's birthday, finish work, teaching, come home, do more work on your own clients. Oh my God, this pimple in the middle of my forehead. Ow! Who gets pimples at 26? Me! Powder bronzer. What is that? I have a brush hair on my face. Okay, I can't get it off. Yes, look at this. Peachy Keen MAC blush. Yes. Girl. So basically my hair's being annoying, but I can see it in the camera and I'm like, oh. See you next time. Mwah. Mwah. Oh my God, it's not even in the right spot. Okay, everyone, help. Help. Let's just reevaluate this situation. No, I did just not fart, that was the chair. Oh no, this is gonna end in disaster. Filming like is not as glamorous as it seems. Okay, I want to be like this close, and then this is like it's hitting the chandelier. Oh my God! Imagine if the chandelier just goes poof over my head. Yeah, that would be so good. Okay, welcome back to my channel. No, I never say that. But this week has been crazy, hasn't it, G?
Yeah, it's been insane.
I've had the craziest week. So basically, I love you, but next week, I'll marry someone else. Cute.